This is Olaguer Brunet from Vins Petxina. Did you know that Catalonia is a country with a lot of wine treasures that nobody knows? In Vins Petxina, we don't have vineyards, but we do something very special. We think the wines we want to create, and then we select the winemakers. We work together with them, and then we define the wine, especially thinking about maybe an area, maybe a wine style, maybe some varieties, some different concepts that help us to understand that Catalonia is a very diverse area and can offer a lot of different styles and different wines. And this is why we created Vins Petxina. This is Altafulla. Do you like it? This is where I got the inspiration to create the wines Blau and Blau Marí. Two wines to capture the essence of the Mediterranean climate and lifestyle. And this is La Nou de Gaià. La Nou de Gaià is a very small village, 300 inhabitants, and is located just 5 kilometers far from the Mediterranean Sea, so we have a Mediterranean coast weather. We don't only have these characteristics here, we also have another one, which is that we have a very nice diversity of crops. We have vines, yes, but we also have olive trees, we also have carob trees, we also have cereal, and all together in small crops surrounding this village. This is excellent for the organic farming because small crops control easily, much better, any diseases in the farm. This is where our wine Blau comes from. These old vines of Xarel·lo and other old vines of Macabeu. This Xarel·lo makes the 70% of the blend for this wine. The Macabeu makes the rest 30%. And at the end, you see, we have old vines in a very poor soil with no irrigation at all. That means that the roots have to go very deep in order to make sure that they will have nutrients and some water, especially when they suffer long periods of no rain. It has happened many times during the life of these vines. So at the end, that means that they can extract a lot of nutrients and give us more minerality. So what we have here is a wine with a lot of acidity and also with a lot of minerality. It is a wine that pairs very well with any Mediterranean light dishes like pasta, like salads, whatever, but also with fish dishes, as you can imagine, and also as an appetizer. The blend of the wine, the red wine Blau Marí, is made out of Garnacha, 70%, and Cabernet Sauvignon. None of those varieties are as old as these ones, but they are very nice as well. We treat them in the same way. You see that there is no irrigation, so it's dry farming, always organic. And at the end, what we have here is the fruity of the Garnacha, the joyfulness of the Garnacha, with the stability of and the structure of the Cabernet Sauvignon that gives it a longer life than if it was only Garnacha, right? Then how can we pair this wine? Well, with any Mediterranean dish, especially with meat and with pasta and with rice, like an arroz, or as you know, our paellas as well. Well, any kind of food like that, but also barbecue, because it has this kind of aromatic and fruity flavor, but also the necessary structure to go on with any kind of food that is grilled, especially if it's not a very stoved or very long oven cooking dish that, well, it can pair well, but it's not its ideal. It's nicer with something lighter because it's quite a light red wine.